Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor and I've gum in my mouth. I probably shouldn't have put it in my mouth right before I did this vlog, but anyway, today's moving day. I'm picking up boxes because we haven't packed anything even though today's moving day. So anyway, I can't wait to show you guys the new apartment, and it's kind of just gonna be a hot mess of a vlog, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it looks like with no furniture in it. Here we have the front hallway, a lot of closet space, like a lot of closet space. I like the concrete floors in here. Ours are gray and these are kind of like I call it sand, and Jason doesn't agree with me. This is the first room. This one's gonna be the office or like TV room. We haven't decided if we're gonna have the TV in the living room or not. So you walk out here, this is like the main living area. And I already brought my peonies in here because they're so pretty. Kitchen. I like how the ceilings are white in here, and I love these huge floor-to-ceiling windows. Master bedroom, pretty big. Master bathroom with a shower. And this will be Jason's closet. We're gonna need some more storage, and I'm probably gonna keep some stuff in there too. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with this pillar, like obsessed. This room is gonna be my closet. It's much bigger than my other one, and hopefully we can make it more of like an office slash closet. And the spare bathroom. And that's it. That's basically the entire apartment. The sunrise in our apartment is one of my favorite things. It's been making me get up so much earlier. We moved in, I think maybe 3 or 4 days ago, but none of our furniture that we purchased for this apartment is here yet. But the exciting news is today the desk is coming. I'm so excited because Jason's just been working at the kitchen counter and it's been driving me crazy for a year and a half. So I'm very excited for him to have his own office space, and the desk is so cute. This is where the desk is gonna go, right here. The desk is here. They put it together and it's much bigger than we thought it was gonna be, so we'll have to maybe do some rearranging of how we're planning the room, but anyway, it's fantastic. So the desk is from CB2 and it's just really cute. I really like it. He's using this tiny stool because his desk chair hasn't come yet, and he looks kind of silly on it. We've been moved in for almost a week now, and today is closet day. We're trying to put them, I don't know what I'm trying to say. We're trying to put these cabinets up over here. Progress is being made. He got all of these up. Now he's working on finishing those. He's such a hard worker. Another day of putting together the apartment today. I had on a really cute outfit, which is over here. Look how cute that was. But it's just too cold if I'm gonna be hanging out in air conditioning all day, so I put on a big, huge, cozy sweatshirt. And really exciting because furniture is coming tomorrow, and I can't wait to show you guys everything. Hopefully it goes smoothly. We've had a couple of hiccups with the move, but everything so far has been pretty good, except last night we started the dishwasher and I walked in the kitchen and there was water all over the floor, like all over the floor. So I had to take everything out of the dishwasher this morning and wash it by hand. Hopefully we can get that fixed tomorrow. Oh wait, furniture's not coming tomorrow. Furniture's coming on Wednesday, so 2 more days until furniture comes. This is the current dish situation. Well, I tried to pick up too many glasses and I banged them together. Quick chore break, because someone is begging for ice cubes. Remy, are you begging for ice cubes? Yeah. This is how far we've gotten with the closet. I still have some work to do, but we made some serious progress yesterday. I have most of the shelves filled over here. This is gonna be for like crop tops and crop sweaters and blazers. full blazers, and then over here I have like t-shirts and sweatshirts and things that I don't want, and blouses that I don't want in the drawer, and I have to figure out what to put up here and some more here. And I have all my shoes over here in these. I need to get some more shelves so I can fit some more heels. And then finally over here I have some more shelves, but I need to get a couple more. This is a lac shelf from IKEA and I need to put it here, but they're out of them. And then for plants, I have this plant here. I want to get one for over here in this corner, or maybe like a little stool, like a sitting stool or ottoman. And I kind of want to put some plants on the top of these since I have so much natural light in here. And that is it for moving vlog part 1. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 because we're going to be getting our furniture and pretty much putting everything together.